Ender 5 Pro. I'm printing a toy gun. Look at this. There's a game. Oh, I also printed a lightsaber. See, there's the housing. And then there's the collapsible lightsaber that comes out the housing. Here. I stopped it and I'm printing it again because look at the layer shifts. Look at that. That's fucking horrible. See those layer shifts? There, there, there. So anyway, what I did right is I'm printing it at 90%, or I think this is 85% the size, the scale, so 85% smaller than that for my son because he's only 5 years old, so I'm making a smaller one. And I did Z hop, so when it prints and it finishes printing and it has to go over to the next part to start printing, it hops up 0.2 of a mil, comes over and then comes down so it doesn't rub against the job. Because if you don't have Z hop on, it moves around. And I'm printing a sign here, see, for the lady down at the lunch shop, the Barmy girl. But anyway, so if you don't have Z hop on, I noticed over here where I printed this on the CR10 V3. Now I've got Z hop on. Let's see if you can notice it or not. See that? Popped up. Hop up. Ready? Ooh, shit. It'll hop up in a sec, you'll see. It hops up 0.4, because these layer heights are 0.2. See? Hop up, come down. Without that Z hop, it was rubbing against the job and making it have layer shifts. So you have Z hop on, so it doesn't crash into the job. So that's printing that again. It's printing it like this on the table. Like that. Or is it that way? Yeah, it's that way. It's printing it like that. But pretty cool, yeah. That's just infill in there. Like infill support, sorry. I just pull all that out. There's a trigger in there. Go pew, pew. We're gonna run around this workshop shooting each other, me and my son, because that's what we do. We have a whole bunch of Nerf guns. I don't know if anyone knows what Nerf guns are. They're guns you can get from like toy stores that are, it's like an American company, Nerf, and they shoot foam. And people on YouTube, there's like Nerf battles, like full adults do it. It's funny like how adults can play with kids' toys. They actually do it, man, I tell you. It's so weird. If I showed my dad would think they're insane. But anyway, yeah, Nerf wars. We've got heaps of Nerf guns. But this is cool. Look how cool that looks. Shit, that's so cool. Once it's cleaned up and all this support's taken off it, like this one's fucked because of the layer shifts. But once that one's done and that one up there's done, I'll print two for me and two for Lucas, my son. It's gonna be pretty cool. Another thing is I made a video where this CR10 V3 kept getting tangled. So what I did is I moved that filament sensor thing over a bit and this over that way as far as it'll go. And now it comes down through there like that and it hasn't gotten tangled yet. So it's working out better this way. I printed this Batman on that CR10. I printed the Banshee on the Ender 5. There's a ghost Pokemon. A vase. A monkey. That's printed with wood. This is the Ender 5 Plus. Big 3D printer. It's the Ender 5 Pro. For the arms I made for it. 3D prints some arms. Supports the bed. And you bolt them on. Bolts and nuts. Did that on Ender 3. Wood filament. It's amazing what you can get out of these 3D printers. Look at it. It's fantastic. Look at that. It's such good quality. Out of a $200 printer. Imagine you went back 10 years and said, I made that on a $200 3D printer. Everyone would be like, come on, mate. You're fucking full of shit. As if. Right. Nah, seriously. $200 printer. Printed that. What? Yeah, good enough. Yeah, it did.